NordVPN review. So if you want to know about the NordVPN, or if you want to have an overview about the NordVPN, then first you need to open up your browser. And on your browser, you can search for NordVPN and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to go with www.nordvpn.com, which will take you to the official website. So this is the official website. And NordVPN is a prominent virtual private network service renowned for its robust security features, extensive server network, and reliable performance. So if you want an in-depth review, then just follow the video. Now, if you get NordVPN, then you will get 70% off on NordVPN and you will also get 6 months free. You get a chance to get the premium VPN experience for less, which is 70% off. And you will also have the 30-day money back guarantee. So it has an advanced security features like NordVPN utilizes encryption and offers features like double VPN, onion over VPN, and other enhancing features that will enhance your user privacy and security. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to choose a plan. You can simply go and compare with all of the other VPN providers. It also have extensive server network, which is, as you can see that here, you'll have VPN servers. You'll have 7,400 plus servers in 118 countries. NordVPN ensures fast and reliable connections suitable for activities like streaming and gaming. It has high-speed connections. The service employs 10 GB per second servers and the proprietary Nord-like protocol, delivering minimal impact on internet speeds. It also has cross-platform compatibility. It has effective geo-restriction bypassing. So NordVPN offers a various subscription plans, including a 2-year plan, currently discounted by over $250, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term users. So in conclusion, NordVPN stands out as a top-tier VPN service offering advanced security features, a vast server network, and high speed connections. Despite a higher price point and past security incident, its ongoing commitment to user privacy and continuous improvements make it a reliable choice for individuals seeking comprehensive online protection. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.